to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today, I am happy. I got in my Boxycharm. You know, we already know like 2 or 3 spoilers. We got that email telling us what was in it, except for like the last 2 things. The reason why I don't have a lip is I noticed like a lot of people got a lipstick in theirs this month, so going so far. It's still sealed. I haven't even opened it. And get into this. Not the version I wanted, but it's fine. Alright, here's the cards. So we are back to the cards instead of the pamphlets. Alright, so the first thing everybody knows they got, is the Too Faced. I mean, their packaging's spot on. Too Faced, I mean, it's like really hard metal. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. That says indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara separates, coats, and curls each last to voluptuous perfection. Acacia Senegal tree extract sets volume while film forming polymers lock your lashes in a perfect curl. I disagree with that last statement. Alright, this is going in my giveaway. If you haven't entered my giveaway, go ahead and enter my giveaway. Because one, I've tried it in a full size. I've tried it in the sample size. It smudges really bad on me, which most mascaras, except for actually L'Oreal's Lash Paradise non-waterproof one, doesn't smudge on me. But in its waterproof one doesn't either, but that one you need turpentine to take off your eyelashes, or just, you know, basically remove your eyelashes if you want to get rid of the mascara. It's that waterproof. But and at the same time, like, I'll curl my lashes, that droops them. I mean, they look pretty for a couple hours, and the smudging and everything else happens. I don't have like watery eyes or oily under eye area. Every mascara just smudges on me. So I'll be passing it along, and it is $24. Okay, the second thing everybody knew that they were getting. Okay, mine has obviously settled, like it has a spot. This is the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer, smooth and pore covering, top secret for protecting makeup primer. And this is create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. This has no ingredients on it, and it's pink, so I need to look up just in case they put carmine in this thing. I'm gonna have to find out where. I don't know if it's sold in Ulta, but even with skincare, if it's dyed pink, it might have carmine, so I need to check that before I go put this on my face. But I am really interested in this, and hopefully not getting my hopes up that I can actually use this, because green tea is like really good for your bumps and your blackheads and all that other stuff. And it's made in Korea, and you know, collagen is really good for the filling in. So I'm excited for this. It is a little pump. I'm not gonna mess with it in case I can't use it. I can do something with it. Okay, something I will be passing along. We need to start trading in this thing. Okay, I did not want this. This is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Now, as a cleanser, it might not be bad, but as a face mask, I can't use anything with honey. It just kind of clogs my pores. My skin doesn't like it, like sitting on top of my skin and like as a moisturizer, but like where it's a cleanser, it would kind of wash it. I don't know, but I'm not really willing to try it. But all I know is like honey face mask, skin does not like. My hair loves honey products though. But anyway, this is obviously not the full size. Well, I don't know, it's 3.4 ounces. I don't know. It's at least half of the size. This is Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Soothe and hydrate your skin with a while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It is formulated with natural derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. Royal jelly extract. Real jelly is bug stuff, okay? That's bug stuff. No, there's honey extract. So yeah, no. I don't want to use this. I'm not going to use this. So yeah, no. I was hoping for the coconut thing. Alright, I did know this from my spoiler. It's pretty vulgar. Okay, they do have cute packaging. It's just really cheap plastic. This is Shimmering Swan highlighter in sparkling satin. Allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter. Infused with glow loving light reflecting and pearlescent pigments, this highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. MSRP is $32. And it's actually a really, really nice color for me. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it even if it does have carmine. Ooh. Oh my, wow, that's gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna like, ooh, okay. It's like soft powder, not too creamy or nothing, just powder. That is nice, like that, like. Alright, Glow, I see you. I haven't tried their highlighters, but it's a nice highlighter. But for $32, they could put in a little bit better packaging. Alright, and the last thing I got is from Tristy. I've gotten a couple of their products. I don't think I've gotten a lip product. I've gotten like eye products and a face product that's supposed to help with shine that I keep forgetting to actually try out from Ipsy. So this is what a full size looks like, but we always get like at least half more than like in an Ipsy anyway. So this is what the full size. This is the Prime and Glaze Lip Crown. The 2-in-1 duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The colored glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft shining color. Oh, and this is version 3. MSRP $25. Okay, I mean, primer inside. This is the color English Rose, so it's very pretty nude. Okay, there's the lip color. A good pigment. So, oh, it's magnet. Look. Okay. The primer inside. Inside where? Oh, there's the primer. It came at the end. I'm not noticing any smell, so let's go ahead and try this out. So this is how it twists up. It twists up with the top part. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply this. It's pretty. It's like pretty quick, easy, like a very wearable color. Pretty. It's more towards red on me, so I think it's more red than this would lead you to believe. Like this leads you to believe a little bit more nude than it is. It's like soft. It is soft. It's pretty. Except I don't know why you would need a primer necessarily with this, but you know what? Each to their own. So hold on. That's fine. No, it's fine. Okay. I like it. It's fine. It's very almost foolproof. So yeah, it's matte, like a creamy matte. So that was my box. I need to check the ingredients for that primer. I won't use the honey stuff at all, and I won't use the Paradise. So I'll be passing that along. But the highlighter is really pretty. This lip is pretty. So two things are a definite, 2 things are a no, and 1 thing's a maybe. So the best month, no. An okay month, yes. Did I say how much that primer was? $18. So it's not horribly priced. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.